Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best office chair in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the best office chair in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Upgrade your workspace with the Marseille Ergonomic Office Chair, designed to deliver exceptional comfort and support throughout your workday. Featuring a breathable high-back mesh design, this office chair promotes airflow to help keep you cool and comfortable during long hours of sitting. The adjustable lumbar support provides targeted lower back support, helping to maintain proper posture and reduce strain. Built for flexibility and personalized comfort, the chair includes 3D adjustable armrests that can be customized to fit your preferred sitting position. The smooth rolling wheels and 360-degree swivel function allow effortless movement around your workspace, improving productivity and convenience. A sturdy frame and premium materials ensure long-lasting durability, making it an excellent choice for home offices, corporate environments, gaming setups, and study areas. Whether you're attending virtual meetings, working on important projects, or enjoying extended computer sessions, the Marseille Ergonomic Office Chair offers the support you need to stay focused and comfortable. Combining modern style, ergonomic features, and reliable performance, this chair is a smart investment for anyone seeking a healthier and more productive seating experience. Number 2. Upgrade your workspace with the Trault Office Chair Ergonomic Desk Chair, designed to deliver exceptional comfort and support throughout your workday. Built with a durable structure that supports up to 330 pounds, this ergonomic chair features a breathable mesh backrest that promotes airflow, helping you stay cool and comfortable during long hours of sitting. The chair's ergonomic design supports proper posture by providing excellent lumbar support, reducing strain on your back, neck, and shoulders. Its adjustable height and smooth rolling wheels allow for effortless movement and customization, making it ideal for home offices, professional workspaces, and gaming setups. The Trault Office Chair combines modern style with practical functionality. Its sleek white finish adds a clean, contemporary look that complements any room decor. The spacious seat cushion provides lasting comfort, while the sturdy base ensures stability and reliability. Whether you're working, studying, attending virtual meetings, or enjoying your favorite games, the Trault Ergonomic Desk Chair offers the support and flexibility you need. Experience enhanced productivity and comfort with a chair designed for both performance and everyday use. Number 3. The Swivel M57 Ergonomic Mesh Office Chair is designed to deliver exceptional comfort and support for long hours of work, study, or gaming. Featuring a breathable high-quality mesh backrest, this chair promotes airflow to keep you cool and comfortable throughout the day. Its ergonomic design includes adjustable lumbar support that helps maintain proper spinal alignment, reducing back strain and fatigue. The chair is equipped with versatile 3D armrests that can be adjusted to suit your preferred position, providing optimal support for your arms and shoulders. The adjustable headrest offers additional neck support, making it ideal for extended periods of sitting. With its high back structure, the Swivel M57 provides full-body support, enhancing overall posture and comfort. Built with a sturdy frame and durable materials, this office chair combines reliability with modern style. The smooth rolling casters and adjustable seat height allow effortless mobility and customization for different desk setups. Whether for home office, workspace, or study room, the Swivel M57 Ergonomic Mesh Office Chair is an excellent choice for productivity, comfort, and long-lasting performance. Number 4. The Gabrelli Ergonomic Office Chair is designed to provide exceptional comfort and support for long hours of work, study, or gaming. Featuring a high-back ergonomic design, this chair helps maintain proper posture while reducing strain on the neck, back, and shoulders. The adjustable headrest offers personalized support, making it ideal for users who spend extended periods at their desks. Its breathable mesh back promotes airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable throughout the day. The wide seat cushion provides generous space and enhanced comfort, making it an excellent choice for big and tall individuals. Flip-up armrests allow for greater flexibility, enabling you to easily slide the chair under your desk when not in use. The chair also features a 90 to 120 degrees tilt lock mechanism, allowing you to switch between focused work and relaxed reclining with ease. Built with a sturdy frame and smooth rolling casters, the Gabberly office chair combines durability, functionality, and modern style. Whether for a home office or professional workspace, it delivers reliable comfort and ergonomic support every day. Number 5. The Prime Drafting Chair Tall Office Chair is designed to deliver exceptional comfort, support, and flexibility for professionals who work at standing desks, drafting tables, or elevated workstations. Featuring an ergonomic executive-style design, this chair helps maintain proper posture throughout long working hours. The built-in lumbar support provides targeted lower back relief, reducing strain, and promoting a healthier sitting experience. Its flip-up armrests offer added versatility, allowing you to easily slide the chair under a desk when not in use or create more space for movement. The adjustable footrest ring supports your legs and feet, enhancing comfort during extended periods of sitting. With customizable height adjustments, the chair accommodates various desk heights and user preferences, making it ideal for offices, studios, laboratories, and home workspaces. Built with durable materials and a sturdy base, the Prime Drafting Chair combines reliability with modern style. The breathable seat and backrest help keep you comfortable throughout the day, while smooth rolling casters ensure effortless mobility. Whether you're working, designing, or creating, this drafting chair offers the support and functionality needed for maximum productivity.